Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you.
Okay, so for the, I've got a pan heating up on a high heat and get my oil in, and I'll turn that down to medium high to cook. And then I've got my fish here. I've got some garfish, so they're pretty small. So I've got like 8 little fillets here, but depending on how big your fish are, you know, 2 fillets should be fine for 2 people. Just adjust accordingly. And then I've got 4 tablespoons of almond meal here, so that I put some salt in. So I'm just going to make sure each fish fillet is kind of lightly coated in the crumbs. And if you wanted a nut-free option, you know, breadcrumbs are fine, or you could just use some flour to give it a little bit of just helps to give it a bit of a crispy coating and make the fish taste really nice, give you interesting texture. Okay, so we want enough oil to just to shallow fry it, so just to cover the base of the pan. And we'll just test with one piece. So that's nice when you get a good sizzle like that. Get all the fish in. And because these are really small, it'll literally be, you know, a minute or 2 on each side. But the larger and thicker your fish fillets are, the longer they're going to take. So the fish has been cooking for about a minute, or a bit longer than a minute, and you can see it's started to go white around the edges. So I'm just going to turn, and you've got some lovely golden almond crumbs, although most of them are ending up in the bottom of the pan. Great, so when the fish is cooked, like you can tell these are curling up, and you can see the white flesh starting to flake, so they can come out of the pan. And I'm just going to pop them on a plate with some paper towel on it to absorb any excess oil. Then to serve, I've got about 3 tablespoons of my best extra virgin olive oil, so a nice peppery one. And I've just got 1 small greenish chili. So I'm going to just chop that in half. I'm leaving the seeds in because I want it with a bit of heat, but if you want it milder, you can always take them out. And if you want it even more hot, you can always use more chilies. So just finely chop. And you could do this before you cook the fish if you want the oil to be more infused with the chili flavour, like just gives a chance to round out. So give that a little stir. And then I've got my hummus. So then I'm just going to put my delicate fish that's cooked and broken up onto the hummus. And I'm going to serve with some salad leaves on the side. There we go.
So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.